Hi guys, here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica coffee machine, and this one I'm just going to show you how the machine makes coffee. I'm just going to open this door here so you can see what it looks like inside, and here you can see we've got the diffuser in the center there, the infuser top right, top left, that's where the coffee comes in via the hopper through the grinder, and you got the dump box on the left. So what happens is when you press the select T button, the diffuser lowers and clears any used coffee from the diffuser. Just flicks into the dump box. Then it moves up to the coffee grinder hopper, where you'll hear now that's the sound of coffee being ground and falls into the diffuser unit, which then moves across to the infuser, where the coffee is pressed and water is filtered through the coffee, which makes your coffee. And I'll just put this cup here just so it doesn't make too much of a mess. And that's the water being filtered through the coffee, the ground coffee beans. And this is what it looks like when the door's closed. And once that's done, you'll see the diffuser move down and dump the used coffee on the left into the dump box there. And once that's done, the diffuser will move back up to the home position. And that concludes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.